In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CV using Canva with easy steps for 2025. If you've ever wanted to make a professional looking CV without the hassle of complicated software, you're in the right place. Canva, a platform known for its user-friendly interface and wide array of templates, makes this process incredibly simple and efficient. So let's dive into it. To get started, head over to Canva's website. Once you're there, you'll find a search bar at the top. In this bar, type CV and hit enter. This will bring up a vast selection of CV templates for you to choose from. If you're wondering why templates are a great starting point, it's because they provide a well-structured framework that is both visually appealing and functional. Templates are designed by professionals, ensuring that your CV will have a sleek and polished look without requiring graphic design skills. Once you've searched for a CV, scroll through the variety of templates available. Take your time to peruse the diverse range of styles. Whether you're looking for something modern, minimalist, or more creative, there's something for everyone. Select the template that best suits your personal style and the impression you want to leave. Remember, the template you choose sets the tone of your CV and can influence the viewer's perception of you as a candidate. After selecting a template, you'll notice an option labeled Customize this template. Click on it to begin personalizing the design. This is where the magic happens. Canva's drag and drop features make it incredibly easy to alter any aspect of the template, from fonts and colors to layout and graphics. Don't be afraid to experiment with different elements. After all, your CV should reflect your personality while maintaining professionalism. Now comes the most critical part, editing the CV to your liking. Begin by adding your name, contact information, and a professional photo if desired. Carefully fill in your educational background, work experience, skills, and any relevant certifications or achievements. Since this is your first impression to potential employers, ensure that your information is accurate and presented succinctly. Tailor the content to highlight the experiences and skills most relevant to the job you're applying for. Finally, proofread your CV thoroughly to catch any spelling or grammatical errors. It's a small step but crucial in leaving a polished impression. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, download the CV. Canva offers options like PDF, which is ideal for maintaining the format when you send it out. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted professional CV ready to impress. Using Canva makes what could be a daunting task into something simple and perhaps even enjoyable. With your new CV in hand, you're well on your way to making a lasting impression in your job applications. Thanks for following along today and happy job hunting.